blindfolded spread eagle. Gets in. Stand by. Gates open and away they go for the Omkar Indian Turf Invitation Cup. Even dispatched from the gate by all the 11 runners. And as the field settled down, there's a rush for the lead with Quasar by seeking the rear, goes to the front, two in front of Agostini by Burden of Proof from Bangalore in second spot. Snowdrift from Calcutta is settled back in third in the red and gold and red. As they go past the 2,000 meter marker, the Onby Villat corner, Spread Eagle is on the outside. On the Wales is Amazing Grace, the Indian St. Leger winner, settled back in fifth. Very close behind there is Alan Dare, the Invitation Cup winner last year, being tracked on the inside by Aquamarine, and she's the daughter of Master Craftsman as they pass the 1800. Two behind is the multi-classic winner, including the Indian Derby. Be Safe is fourth last. Three behind there, Torchbearer and Devil Adam from Bangalore is on the outside as they pass the 1600. Dare to Dream is from Hyderabad is second last. Three behind at the back of the field in the white cap there is Bold Majesty. As it run past the 1400 meter marker, Agostini is the new leader, four in front of Quasar, 2 1/4 length behind is Snowdrift. Very close behind is Spread Eagle is making a slide forward move. Amazing Grace settle back in fifth. Two behind is Alan Dare and Aquamarine racing together with 2 quarters remaining. Two behind there is Torchbearer. Be Safe is in fourth last position. Dare to Dream is second last. Three behind there is Bold Majesty. With about 1,000 meters left from judging this Omkar Indian Turf Invitation Cup, Agostini 2.5 lengths ahead of Quasar, 2.5 lengths behind there is Snowdrift being tracked there by Spread Eagle is on the outside as they pass the 800. Three behind is Amazing Grace, but Alan Dare is now making a forward move. Be Safe is ranging on the far side. On the Wales is Aquamarine. Then there is the Dare to Dream, Torchbearer. Bold Majesty is still in the rear as the head turns for home. Round the turn and into the straight, it's Quasar in the centre, just in front of Agostini. Three behind there is the Snowdrift. Amazing Grace has been off, so an effort is making a forward move. Alan Dare is already gone for the whalebone. Be Safe is now galloping on the centre of the track. Widest to fall is Bold Majesty, but Quasar has gone away with the furlong to go. Is about 2.5, 3 lengths ahead. Be Safe is the one galloping strongly on the near side, but Quasar maintains the length and a half in front of Be Safe. But Quasar is going to be in the Indian Turf Invitation Cup from Be Safe. Amazing Grace. After that, there is Alan Dare, Dare to Dream. Then there's Snowdrift, Agostini, Aquamarine. Torchbearer, Lost Man Home is Spread Eagle. So what a win here for Quasar. Running second throughout the race at the top of the straight. Went past Agostini and had a sizable lead of about 4 lengths ahead, and at that point of time